Hey, welcome to my show. And today I wanted to share with you a fun little project I've been working on in designing a fixture for soldering up the near piping on a VXT. I tested this back in 2019. Hopefully it'll work. You'll see that I've reversed the flow, and I'm using a 24-volt coil off the black mailbox there in the VXT to get the alignment correct. I just had to notch out the space for the screw back there. Thank you. So what I've got is SuperStrut, or sometimes known as Kendorf. Got a length here of about, let's see, that's about two feet, and these are, what is that, roughly about a foot? Yeah, about a foot. And this is the deep channel, and this is the shallow channel. You get a better shot. There's a cross section, and it has a sort of little hooks on either end. And there's the deep channel there. See the difference? And I've got the 1/2-inch bolts for rigidity. The 1/2-inch bolts are nice because they fit very nicely with a 3/4-inch wrench, and the 3/4-inch wrench can be used to install the adapters that come with the VXT. So I cut the pipe to allow a rectilinear alignment, and then using these Cobras, and the model number is a CPC050, and they're made by Cobra, and these hooks will hook into the channel, grab it, and then by dogging that down, that holds the pipe in place, and then it doesn't move as you solder it. Or you can also use this for pro press so that it doesn't dislodge when you pull that trigger. At this end here, I've got an ordinary 3/8-inch malleable coupling that grounded down a little bit so that it fits in the slot. This is a 3/8 by 1/2. So this is, you're able to hold a 1/2-inch fitting there and a 3/8 adapter there. Here's your 1/2-inch adapter. That can go there. And then this will hold it upright. And when you solder it, the solder will be helped by gravity to get a good penetration in the fitting there in the socket. Accordingly, I've got a fixture here using a more traditional clamshell, 5/8 OD diameter, and I've added a wing nut 1/4 inch to allow for quick removal. That's supposed to go here like that. There's an example there. There's the example of the Cobra on the other side. And so by holding this vertically to solder this valve in, makes it a little easier because you're able to get the flame to direct away. The latest version is you need to close the valve as you solder it, and I heat the pipe first pretty aggressively, and then it just flows right out and in there, and hopefully the seals won't get burned up. And that seems to work a treat. I've got it's squared away. I use this quick square to make sure everything is trued up. And this is a work in progress. I got it angled so that it is visible in this relatively low location. There's our caddy all thread and clamps to split rings to hold this in place, and then it's going to wind up there. I'll probably be showing this boiler in a bit, but now you can read this and get to it. So I think I've talked enough. I hope if you find this useful, please hit the like button below, and if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. See you on the next one, and stay safe.